Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best wood glue for MDF in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Gorilla Original Waterproof Polyurethane Glue. The original Gorilla Super Glue unsurprisingly worked great for bonding MDF to MDF, but also for bonding other common materials. It is the most versatile adhesive on our list and is a great choice if you intend to bond MDF to all kinds of different materials. As we mentioned, the main advantage of this polyurethane glue is its versatility. It is by far the best glue for MDF to metal, MDF to glass, and MDF to stone. No other glue we tried was as good as this adhesive for successfully bonding MDF to itself, but also other commonly used materials. This glue has quite a few drawbacks, but for certain applications, it is the best choice. There is no better adhesive for outdoor and high-moisture MDF projects than this Gorilla polyurethane adhesive. Its water and temperature resistance is unmatched. Number 2. Our second best pick is Gorilla Wood Glue, 36-ounce bottle, natural wood color. The Gorilla Wood Glue is an adhesive that you can rely on as it works on any and every type of wood you can think of. It is the product that always ends up on our list and that we always go back to, which speaks of its consistency and reliability. It works great for MDF as well and is a glue you can't go wrong with for any type of MDF project. The Gorilla Wood Glue is our favorite for MDF kitchen countertops because of its non-toxic and food-safe properties. It is low VOC and doesn't produce dangerous fumes, but is also FDA approved for indirect food contact. What makes this glue a worthwhile purchase is its affordability. No other adhesive that works on MDF is that affordable. Number 3. Our third best pick is Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue. With its solid MDF cabinet with a walnut finish and its warm and rich sound profile, the Sangean the legendary Titebond 3 had to be on our best glue for MDF list. It is one of the strongest PVA wood adhesives today and works really well with MDF boards. This glue is known and used for its massive strength and resistance. No other glue on the market is stronger than the Titebond 3, and you can be sure that its bond will be stronger than the MDF board itself. You can safely use this adhesive for MDF projects of any size without worrying about structural strength. Still, Titebond 3 is a great choice and will certainly bond MDF boards superbly. You can't go wrong with it, but there are more affordable options out there. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is E7300 Carp Wood Glue. With a lot of high-quality wood adhesives on the market, it's hard to say which one is the best for MDF bonding. From our experience, and in our opinion, Elmer's E7300 glue is the best performing glue for the MDF board you can buy. A lot of people prefer Titebond, and we can see why. It is an excellent wood glue that provides rock-solid bonds. But we found that for MDF, Elmer's E7300 performs as good and sometimes even better than the Titebond while being much more affordable. This glue is the best glue for MDF boards, whatever the environment. The bonds are strong, the resistance is massive, and the price is a bargain. The only downside is the drying color, but if you don't mind that, go for this glue and you won't be sorry. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Franklin International 6123 Titebond Trans Glue. Our runner-up and by far the best clear-drying glue for MDF is the Titebond 6123. If the aesthetics and clean bonds are of the essence, this glue should be your first choice for MDF projects. As we previously mentioned in our review above, this is the glue to go for if you have an MDF project where bonds are highly visible. The drying color of this glue is crystal clear, and we do mean crystal, transparently clear. The bonds are 100% transparent, and you can see through them. This is not the case even with the wood adhesives that claim to be clear drying. The Titebond 6123 is the only truly clear drying wood glue you can find. The bonds look phenomenal with it, and the results look clean and professional. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.